Storm damage can leave your home in shambles. But don't worry, these 5 power tools will help you rebuild. We've got you covered with essential tools for those post-storm repairs. Remember, this list is in no particular order, and you can find links to all products in the description below. Let's get started. Tool number 1. Cordless Drill/Driver. A versatile tool for countless tasks, from drilling holes to driving screws. Its cordless convenience is a game-changer after a storm. Tool number 2. Circular Saw. Cut through wood, plywood, and even some metal with ease. Essential for clearing debris and making repairs. Tool number 3. Impact Wrench. Loosen or tighten stubborn bolts with incredible power. Perfect for dismantling damaged structures or assembling new ones. Tool number 4. Nail Gun. Speed up construction and repairs with a nail gun. Perfect for securing plywood, sheathing, and other materials. Tool number 5. Reciprocating Saw. Cut through almost anything with this powerful tool. Ideal for demolition, cutting through pipes, and removing damaged materials. Want to know how to prepare for the next storm? Click here to watch our video on the top 5 gadgets you need for hurricane season.